Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I want to give a sharing little about South Korea. South Korea is a country in East Asia located on the southern part of the Korea. It's born in North Korea and has a capital city called Seoul. South Korea is known as developed country with advanced technology, including big companies like Samsung and Hyundai. Its culture is also very popular, worldwide, such as K-pop, Korean drama, and traditional food. The country has a democratic government and strong economy and high quality education system. South Korea is also famous of combining traditional and modern culture. And main city of Korea is Seoul, which is not only the capital but also the largest and most important city in the country. Seoul is the center of government, business, education, and culture, making it a very busy and modern city. It is famous for its advanced technology, tall wood, and efficient transportation system. At the same time, Seoul still keep its traditional site with historical place like Gyeongbuk Place, where people can learn about Korean history, and modern traditions like Seoul Tower, which often beautiful views of city. Seoul is also known as the center of K-pop fashion and entertainment, making it popular among tourists from all over the world. South Korea flag. South Korea flag is called Gyeongbuk. It has deep political meaning. In the center, there is red and blue circle called Gyeongbuk, which present and balance of two energies. Red stands for positive, active for energy, and blue stands for negative, calm energy. This idea comes from the concept of yin and yang. Around the circle, there are four black symbols called trigrams, each trigrams represent natural elements and philos, self and heaven, earth, water, and fire. The white background symbol is placed and purity, flexing the character of the Korean people. So if the flag is not just a national symbol, but also no balance, harmony, and the symbolism of life in South Korea. History of Korea. Korea is began with ancient kingdom like Joseon, and later development during the Three Kingdoms period, which include Goguryeo, Daje, and Silla that effortlessly unif and Chula. After that, the Goryeo that just ended ruled Korea, and during the Joseon period, Joseon the Great and Hail appellant, which is still used today. And what's in Korea? Korea has many interesting things, including culture, place, and modern technology. In South Korea, you can find big cities like Seoul with Hollywood, advanced technology, and popular culture such as K-pop and Korean dramas. There are also historical places like Gyeongbuk, place from the Royal Dames area. Korea is also famous for its food, such as kimchi and bibimbap. Meanwhile, North Korea is known for its strict government system and its capital city, Pyongyang. Overall, Korea has a unique mix of history, culture, and modern life. culture in Korea. Korean culture is rich and rich rich and charged by a long history and strong tradition. Its some Korean traditional elements like hanbok is a traditional cosplay, the chemistry and polite behavior, influenced by convenience value are still practiced today. Korea is also famous for its food, such as kimchi and bibimbap, which are part of daily life. In additional, modern culture from Korea is very popular worldwide. Third, K-pop Korean dramas and movie often called Hallyu or the Korean wave. Meanwhile, is not Korean culture. It's more. And unique things in Korea. In Korea has many unique things that make it different from other countries. In Korea, people follow strict etiquette, like bowing, the greeting, and respecting others in daily life. One unique cultural element is wearing hanbok during special occasions and using the special alphabet Hangul practiced by Sejong the Great. Korean also has interesting traditions like eating kimchi almost every day and celebrating a seasonal festival. Other unique aspect is the popularity of K-pop and dramas, which are part of Hallyu and love worldwide. And addition, Korea has advanced technology and fast internet, making cities like Seoul very modern. All the things make Korean a unique mix of tradition and modern. This is a Korean food. Korean food has many famous traditional food that are popular around the world, such as kimchi, which is spicy ferments vegetable. Bibimbap is mixed rice, vegetables, meat, and egg. And bulgogi, which is sweet and savory grilled beef. There are also snacks like tteokbokki and grilled meat, dish like samgyeopsal. In Korea, is unique flavor and love by many people. Okay, I think maybe that's all for me. I think maybe that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.